So, traditionally we've had data in systems and it's sort of locked up. And it feels like one of the things that you guys are doing is trying to free that data a bit. Those trends of making data more available and getting it out of the silos that it's in, how has that impacted you guys? I mean, do you see it as something customers are asking for, so we're an enabler for it, or we've had to fight hard to get that data out? Like, how does that play for you guys?
Yeah. So it's funny you said data democratization. In the early beginnings of Canvas GFX, the new company, we talked a lot about data democratization. And as we all know, your audience, people here in this call, the data is everywhere. PDM attempted to, democratize it. PLM attempted to democratize it. But because there's no standards, because, it's all disparate, it's not easy. So what we love about the concept of data democratization is we can bring in a PDF, we can bring in video, we can bring in photos, we can bring in 2D CAD drawings, we can bring in 3D CAD, right? So in a single pane of glass, we can bring in these sources of truth, right? And commingle them so that the output is exactly what you said before, Jonathan. That is that slice of information that is comprehensive, but highly visual, right? And provided then to the frontline worker